Hey, Professor Emmerich, this is Connor Lowe going over assignment 13, where we're creating a menu for a user to interact with a specific table on our database. So first off, we're creating the connection to the database, initializing a cursor, dropping that if it already exists, creating it, creating assignments with 3 columns, ID that is auto-incremented, a title, and a description. First of all, we'll be displaying all the rows in the table with the print assignments function. So we create the cursor, select the entire table, and then do some formatting, print each row in this format, close, and then finish the function. Next, we'll be adding a specific row defined by the user to the assignment table. So we ask the user for a title and a description, initialize a cursor, and then add that row in using the insert function. Commit the change to the database, close, and then notify the user. Next, we'll be deleting a specific assignment, so a specific row on the table. Ask the user which row they'd like to delete, initialize the connection, and then delete that specific row. Commit the changes to the database, and then close once again. Lastly, we'll be exporting the assignment to a file. That file will be assignments.txt. So we select the contents, open the file, and then for each row that we have selected, we print it with this formatting, write that, close that, and then notify the user. This is the function for the menu. So we create the text for the 5 options that the user has, ask them for a number input, and then based on that number, execute the function that they want. So let's give it a try. Let's create an assignment. Assignment will be AAA, and the description is BBB. So the assignment was added. Let's see that with 3. So you see that was added to the table. Now let's export it. So this was exported to assignments.txt. You can see that was added to the file, written to the file. And then we can delete it. A and BBB successfully deleted, and we can see that change. And we have an empty table. Thank you.